Megatron inventor's hypothesis theory on this is basically this original wing. Airflow goes on the bottom, and airflow curves to the top, more distance, and then it falls down to a higher speed, and then it creates a lift. Anyway, that's how normally a wing creates lift. My hypothesis and theory on this is we can create possibly, maybe, more lift by building a vent on the wing on the front, and bottom airflow, one of them will just go through the vent and comes out to the top, creating a faster airflow for the top. When the air comes down, it falls at a higher speed. First of all, it climbs higher, so it's more distance, so it has to catch up with the bottom airflow, so it has to fall down higher speed, and that creates lift. That's just one hypothesis. The other concept is basically putting just a regular vent in front of the wing to gather more air for lift. You can have one of these on the bottom. So normally this is the green is the original airflow, as you can see. That's just original, and with the plate on the bottom, you direct more airflow to the wing. So now you have more air directed by a plate on the bottom in front of the wing. So now you have this portion of air that you didn't have before. So now this portion gets compressed and goes to the bottom of the wing, and that should create more lift on the top. Basically, you're putting more air on the bottom. Basically, you are diverting more air into the wing, so the potential there is for more possibly lift, speed, whatever. So I don't know why nobody ever thought about putting more air in front of the wing by diverting the air, but just by a simple plate in front of it. Here we have a wing, and you got this plate here and this plate here. These are wind arrows. Normally they would go straight and not be used for the wing lift, but now you're diverting that air that normally you wouldn't actually be doing for the purpose of creating lift and more. So basically we're putting plates in front of the wing to divert the extra wind for the purpose of that. So that's my concept. These plates in front of the wing should create more lift. And the top one, I'm not sure it's needed, but it's just a question mark there. But the bottom one may actually be needed. But anyway, that's just the size of it, the width. That's up to the aeronautical scientists or technicians. But anyway, that's just the option of gathering more airflow to the wing for the purpose of lift and so on. So this is my invention, Megatron inventors. So like I said, we could put a vent to gather more air and throw in through the back, or we could use these plates to add more air to the wing. So that's my invention, Megatron inventors. You guys have a good one.